Hello all. Today we are going to see implementation of selection and insertion sort in data structure and algorithm using Python. So first we are going to implement selection sort. So what is a selection sort? Selection sort is nothing but in a set of array elements located in array. It takes the minimum first element as minimum element and it compares the first element to the second element. The second element is greater than first element, it leave as it is. The second element is smaller than first element, then it checks the second element as the minimum element. So the second element goes to first element. So this is how the sorting process in selection sort processed. So we can see the program first. So I I gave here data, that is I'm entering the values to be stored and getting the values from the user using split function only we can do it. We can get the values. Uh, Also, I am declaring I is equal to 0 while I lesser than len of data, that is length of data. So minimum index I is set to I, that is the first index, 0th index, first element is minimum index. So now minimum index is incremented, that is takes the next element. If the next element is greater than, that is data of minimum index is greater than data x, then minimum index is equal to x. Otherwise, the minimum index is equal to data I, which is the next second element we are going to see. We can see the output. We can run this program and see output so that it will be easy to understand. This is how the selection sort is processed. So let's see the output. Here is the algorithm creating a variable data, setting minimum index variable to 0. That is the first index. So I'm next searching the minimum element, that is the first element. Yeah, let's see. For now I'm going to give any 5 values: 34, 12, finally 14. I give 5 values. Now I'm giving enter. Here first, this is the sorted list 12, 34. I mean this is the entered values. So now here it takes 34 as minimum element. Then it compares 34 with 12. 34 is definitely greater than 12. So now 12 is swapped to 0th index. 34 is gone to first index. So 12 here is now minimum element. And the minimum element keep on comparing. Now 34 compared to 46. 46 is greater than 34. So first three element are sorted. Now we are coming to next two element. 40, 46 is greater than 40. So 40 is being swapped here, then 46 is going here. Then 46 is greater than 42. 42 is swapped to this third index and 46 is gone to last index. So finally the sorted array is here. So while in a selection sort, you must always start using a minimum element as first element. You should keep minimum element and you should compare to next element whether it is smaller or lesser. So this is how the selection sort works. I hope. Next we are going to insertion sort. Insertion sort is nothing but only. See here, I same as it is selection. I gave here entering the values. Then I'm declaring I'm declaring the values for I in range using for loop. Then temp is equal to value I, the first value, index value. So I first I will run this program. It's nothing but it compares all the things. Now I'm running this program. See here, 34, 35. First two elements are sorted as it is. Now here comes 32. 32 is definitely bigger than those first two elements. So here 32 goes to first index and remaining two are sorted. Now 23 is being checked and 23 is also greater than first element. So 23 is going here. So now see those sorted array values 23, 32, 34. 35, 59, just using the swapping method. So selection sort is nothing but it's deciding, that is keeping the first element as minimum. Now insertion sort is you have to insert the value according the sorting of an array. If it is unsorted, you have to insert the smallest number in a particular respective positions. So this is called insertion sort. So finally, selection sort and insertion sort are over. So the algorithm for selection sort, same way for insertion sort, algorithm is here. Thank you.